Hey guys, I'm Deepthi and in today's video I'm going to be swatching some earthy brown terracotta shades. This was requested on my channel for me to do, so that's the reason I'm doing this. And usually I film these videos in natural light without makeup, but it's been raining so it's very gloomy outside. I cannot use the natural light, and so I did put on a little bit of makeup as well because I'm not filming this in natural light. And oh, these lights and no makeup makes me look like a zombie. So anyways, that's that. I have included products of multiple range and some kind of like little bit of different shades as well, so that it's just not like same warm brown, warm red, orange, not those kind of shades, a little bit of different shades. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let's get started. So the first shade we have is Blue Heaven Chocolate Swirl. This is a beautiful earthy brown with a little bit of pink and red hints to it as well. This shade is very similar to Wet n Wild Give Me Mocha, so if you wanted that shade in a lipstick form, you can try this out. It's a beautiful shade and something I reach out for so much. The formulation is amazing. It has a really nice comfort level on your lips, and it does transfer quite a bit. It's not a very long lasting formula, but it's a very comfortable formula. The next shade we have is from Mars Cosmetics. This one is in the shade Girlpower, which is a beautiful shade, and this would suit every single skin tone out there. Of course, if you are lighter than me, it's going to look a little bit darker. So in my opinion, this is like a deep terracotta shade. It has a lot of brown ends to it. It has a little bit of red to it as well. Very beautiful. The formulation of this is completely matte, so it can be drying on the lips, but it's also very long lasting. And for the price, it's a great amount of quantity that you get in this lip crayon as well. The next shade we have is also from Mars Cosmetics, which is in the shade Berry Brave. This is not a berry shade by any means, and this is a lot lighter than the shade Girl Power. It has a little bit more of like that orange hint to it, and it's not as deep as that one. So this is again perfect for people of light medium skin tones, and it wouldn't look as deep and grungy like the other one. The next shade we have is Sugar Nothing Else Matter lipstick, and this one is in the shade Browning Glory. This is a beautiful shade, and again a very popular shade. The formula of this is really nice and creamy and quite pigmented, so even if you have very dry lips, I don't think you would detest the formula of this completely. Next up, also from Sugar, I have there It's About Time Vivid lipstick in the shade Browntown Abbey. I feel like this one is very similar to Chocolate Swirl in the sense that it has that little bit of red as well as pink hints to it, with a little bit of like that earthy brown hint to it as well. And that's the reason I decided to include this particular shade. This used to be very popular when it was first launched. This is Chocolate Swirl and this is Browntown Abbey. The next shade we have is Kiro Warm Nutmeg, and what a beautiful like warm shade this is. This would suit so many different skin tones. I absolutely love the formula of these lipsticks. So in case you're looking for something that's comfortable, quite long lasting, actually pretty long lasting for a bullet lipstick, you can try that out. The next shade we have also from Kiro, one of my absolute favorite shade, which is called Spicy Cinnamon, and it just feels like that warm brown spicy kind of shade, you know. I just want to say, every time I wear this shade I want to say spicy, because I feel like it looks like that. And this is a little bit deeper than the other shades that I showed you guys, so it's especially for people of medium tan and deeper skin tones. If you wanted to wear this without makeup, it again doesn't wash you out, so it's a little bit deeper than Warm Nutmeg itself. So let me just show you a shade comparison of both this side by side. So this is Spicy Cinnamon. So you can see Warm Nutmeg doesn't have as much as brown red hints to it like Spicy Cinnamon does. So yeah, it's a lot deeper. Next up from Nykaa, I have their So Cream lipstick in the shade Let It Snooze. This is a more like peachy earthy kind of a shade, so I decided to include this because it's more affordable as well, and the formula is quite creamy. So the next shade that we have is Sugar Claire Underwood, which is like a nice warm brown shade, and it doesn't have as much red as Mars Girl Power. So this is again a very beautiful warm brownish shade. Next shade used to be a super popular shade from Maybelline called Made Easy when they first launched it. I've worn this so much. It is a lot comfortable compared to a lot of even Maybelline liquid lipsticks and also a lot of other liquid lipsticks, and it's a really affordable formulation. It does go on a little bit watery. You have to give it a little bit of time to rest down completely on your lips, but it is a beautiful shade and would work across skin tones. So the next one we have is a Kiro liquid lipstick in the shade Nutmeg Nude. This is a beautiful shade. The formulation is amazing, very comfortable, very long lasting on the lips. And the shade again, it would flatter every single skin tone out there. But if you wanted a lipstick counterpart, you can just try the shade Warm Nutmeg, which is just like the same shade in the lipstick form. And I feel like the lipstick sometimes even lasts better like compared to the liquid lipstick. This again, a subscriber of mine was like, yeah, I feel like the lipstick lasts a lot better than the liquid lipstick, and even I feel it's exactly like that. Like if you have a lot of moisture and you're wearing a mask, it does move around a teeny tiny bit, it does bleed, but I feel like the lipstick lasts a lot longer. But again, this is a really beautiful shade and the formulation is amazing. Next up, I have the Lakme liquid lipstick in the shade Brown Souvenir. This is their mini liquid lipstick. I absolutely love this shade. The formula is very comfortable, very long wearing, and I wear this pretty much every single day. It does go on extremely watery. You have to give it a little bit of a time to settle down on your lips and probably even build on it to get it to the pigmentation you want to, but it is really comfortable and I absolutely love that. So this shade again is a little bit of like a mauvish red brown shade. This would work out really well for so many different skin tones, trust me on that. It's a beautiful shade. Next up, we have the Belora liquid lipstick in the shade Tea Time. This is a very warm pink shade with a little bit of terracotta hints to it as well. And this is a beautiful shade. And again, this is a very popular shade. This used to be so popular when they first launched. The formula of these go on really nice and pigmented, and I like it. I don't find them to be very drying on the lips, but if you have very dry lips, you might not like the formula of this. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I wanted to swatch for you guys. Let me know if you guys want to watch a part 2 of this. Let me know in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to film this part 2. Also leave like some recommendations for your favorite like earthy brown terracotta shades in the comment section down below, and I will make sure to do that. So yeah, all the product links in the description box below. Make sure to check it out. Yeah, while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.